Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from a Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XE. So from any screen, we're on sat-nav at the moment. If I go to home there, you've got media, phone, climate and so on, or you've got the phone button here. If I click on phone there, no phone connected, connect to device now. Click yes. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, click on there, and then brings up a new screen. Rename Barry's iPhone, delete pairing, connect for music, connect for phone, connect for music, connect all. I want to delete pairing. Delete pairing, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XE. From any screen here, we can go to telephone, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Then we need to go to settings, onto Bluetooth there, make sure it's switched on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Search for Bluetooth devices. Jaguar XE searching, it's found my phone already, so click on there. Pairing Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Does this passkey match 645417? Yes, it does, so click there, click there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone's been connected and paired. That's it. Probably it'll be at the top or somewhere around about the top. Jaguar XE connected, so that's fantastic. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XE. First of all, it's on telephone at the moment, phone's paired with the system. We'll click on music. You'll see there at the bottom, Jaguar XE. If I click on that, your choices are, you can play the music through your iPhone or Jaguar XE. There's a tick next to Jaguar XE. That means anything that plays on this phone, any music, any audio, whether it be YouTube soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, anything, as long as you have this set up properly, it will play through the speakers. Now we go to media, which is this clapperboard and the music note. Click on there, turn it down. It knocks it off if you turn it down, but I don't want the sound to come and me get a copyright. And you've got source at the top, so click source. That allows you to change between the radio, Bluetooth and auxiliary. So onto Bluetooth. That's playing. There you go. If I turn that up. And that's it playing. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Jaguar XE. So that's the home screen there. You've got media, climate, phone and navigation. If I click on navigation, that's bringing the map up. What I need to do now, you see here the 6 boxes. If I click on there, where to, map view, favourites, information, emergency, where to. Click on where to. Enter postcode, you've got address, enter postcode, recent, points of address and go home. Enter postcode, that's the easiest. We want to go to Grosvenor Garage. Everybody wants to go to Grosvenor Garage on Blackburn Road at High Walton, Preston. And the postcode is PR, I've forgotten the postcode, 5 4 EA. Nearly put my home postcode in there. So PR54EA, nothing, it's just showing the postcode that you've just typed in. Now you have to click on it. It goes green, it's loading.
It is being calculated.
That's what you want. You've just got yes there. Some systems will say OK or start, but we'll click yes. And then
please turn right in 300 yards onto Sharp Lane. Then turn left.
That's it. That's all you have to do. To knock it off, we click the boxes again, and you've got stop guidance there. Stop guidance. That's it done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.